This is one of my favorite flies to use as a hopper dropper rig for brook trout. We'll start off with some flat black thread and secure that to our hook shank. Snap off the excess and continue to the back of the hook. This is going to be a thread base for our next step. We will then grab some 2mm foam. I particularly enjoy this loco foam. We will cut off a small piece a bit wider than our hook gap, trimming the ends down to give us a nice point to tie into the hook shank. Rest that on top of the hook shank with the flashy side facing down and secure tightly, wrapping back towards the bend of our hook. It's important to make sure this is seated tightly so it doesn't spin around our hook when we're finished. Next, we'll grab some dubbing. Here I'm using a ice dubbing in Peacock. We'll create a tight dubbing noodle around our thread and start to wrap that around our hook shank. We will continue this process until we reach the head of the fly. Once we've reached the head of the fly, we will fold over our foam and secure it tightly in place. You can do this by taking some loose thread wraps to start with and wrapping tighter and tighter as you go. Now trim off the excess. I like to round over the head like so, and grab a small piece of fluorescent foam. You can use whatever color you want. Here in particular, I am using a fluorescent orange. Secure that to the top of the fly and trim the excess free. This is just a little hop spot to help us keep track of it on the water. Grab some silicone silly legs, tie that onto one side of our beetle, and then do the same with the opposite. Now we can trim these legs to length. Leaving them a little long will attract a bit more attention. Now whip finish, securing everything in place, and snip your thread free. And of course, brush out the bottom to give it a nice buggy look. And this is a bank beetle. It's one of my favorite patterns to use for a hopper dropper rig for brook trout. If you want to try this fly for yourself but don't tie, you can visit my website down below and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.